For centuries, humans have looked to the skies and wondered, are we alone in the universe? The idea of extraterrestrial beings visiting Earth in ancient times has long been dismissed as science fiction. But what if there is more to it? What if the theory of ancient aliens is not just a fantasy, but a realistic interpretation of history? Let's take a closer look at ancient civilizations, societies that emerged thousands of years ago, achieving incredible feats of architecture, engineering, and knowledge. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the Nazca Lines of Peru, the precise astronomical alignments of ancient megalithic structures. How did they do it? Mainstream archaeology credits human ingenuity, but some questions remain unanswered. Could ancient aliens have played a role in shaping human civilization? Consider the Great Pyramid. Built over 4,500 years ago, this colossal structure consists of millions of precisely cut stones, some weighing over 70 tons. The alignment of the pyramid with true north is almost mathematically perfect. Even with today's technology, replicating such precision on that scale would be a formidable challenge. Some researchers argue that such engineering marvels suggest knowledge that far exceeds what we assume ancient humans possessed. Could extraterrestrials have provided guidance? Another puzzling site is Pumapunku, an ancient temple complex in Bolivia. The stone blocks found here are cut with laser-like precision and interlock in ways that defy conventional explanations. The Incan civilization, which inherited the site, claimed the gods had built it. But what if their gods were actually extraterrestrial visitors? Then there are the Nazca Lines, a collection of massive geoglyphs etched into the Peruvian desert. These figures, visible only from the sky, depict animals, humanoid figures, and geometric patterns stretching over miles. The precision and scale of these designs raise an intriguing question: who were they meant for? Some suggest they were signals or messages intended for beings observing from above, possibly extraterrestrial visitors. Ancient texts from different cultures also contain references that could hint at extraterrestrial contact. The Sumerians, one of the earliest civilizations, spoke of the Anunnaki, deities who descended from the heavens and allegedly imparted knowledge to humankind. Similarly, Hindu scriptures describe flying machines called vimanas and battles between celestial beings, descriptions that sound eerily similar to modern accounts of UFOs and extraterrestrial encounters. Let's not forget the Dogon tribe of West Africa. For generations, they have possessed intricate knowledge of the Sirius star system, specifically Sirius B, a white dwarf companion to Sirius A, invisible to the naked eye and only confirmed by astronomers in the 20th century. How did they know this? The Dogon claim their ancestors received this knowledge from sky beings known as the Namo. Skeptics argue that ancient alien theories undermine human achievements. But acknowledging the possibility of extraterrestrial influence does not negate human ingenuity, it expands our perspective on what might have been possible. If intelligent life exists elsewhere in the universe, as many scientists now believe, is it so far-fetched to consider that they might have visited us in the distant past? Recent declassified UFO reports and unexplained aerial phenomena suggest that non-human intelligence might still be observing us today. If that is the case, could these visitors be the same beings who interacted with our ancestors thousands of years ago? The question remains open, and until we find definitive proof, we can only explore the evidence left behind. But one thing is certain: the ancient alien theory is not as unrealistic as some might think. Perhaps history holds secrets that we are only beginning to understand. The truth may be out there, waiting for us to uncover it.